everyone, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to install the Nvidia graphic driver on our Windows 10, 11 or any other PC. So first of all guys, you should have knowledge what is the specification of your graphic card drivers of the Nvidia. So you need to click on the any browser which you use. Okay, on the search bar you need to type Nvidia drivers and hit enter. So once you hit enter, you will land into the official link of the Nvidia driver downloads. Just click on that option. So once you click on this option guys, you need to look for product type. So whatever type you have, you need to look for your purchased or the laptop or the graphic card. Let's say if you are using the GeForce, just select that option. Product series, also select that according to your specification. Okay, and then system operating system, it should automatically detect it, but if not you can manually choose that option. And download type like game ready driver or studio driver. So first look for the game ready driver, default one, and then click on search. So it will search based on your product series number, and once it is searched you need to click on just download option. It's very simple. So once you click on download, the download process will be started. You just need to wait here. So download will be showing here inside your download. Let me again type it. Click on this option. Yes, it is now redirecting. Now this download includes. So hit download. As you can see here, download has been started. And once it is downloaded guys, you just need to double click on the driver and it will be installed automatically. Once you select next and accept all the terms and conditions as default driver, and you are good to go. And you should see now your driver into the device manager. So once you open the device manager here, the drivers should be coming up under display drivers after the restart of the system inside here. Okay, this one is my inbuilt, but you should be getting the Nvidia graphic driver here, and you can choose that option accordingly according to your game. Okay, so hope this video helps you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you, thanks for watching.